Welcome students. In today's video I am going to explain you about calorie, kilocalorie, heat capacity, specific heat capacity. Students, we already have learned that heat is a form of energy whose effect causes the temperature of an object to increase. And SI unit of energy is heat energy is joule. Now start with calorie. Students, 1 calorie heat is the amount of heat that increases the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. It means the required amount of energy, heat energy, that increases the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called 1 calorie. And 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. And similarly, 1 kilocalorie heat is the amount of heat that increases the temperature of 1 kg of water. It means 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called 1 kilocalorie. Now next is specific heat capacity. Students, actually specific heat capacity is the amount of thermal energy which is required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of material by 1 degree Celsius. And the unit of specific heat capacity is joule per kilogram degree Celsius. Students, do you know that water has the maximum heat capacity? It means that to increase the temperature of water by a fixed amount, we need largest amount of thermal energy. And it also releases the largest amount of energy while cooling, and that is why water is used as a cooling agent in engines of vehicles, and also warm water is used in bottles for massaging. But different masses of same materials need different amount of thermal energy for equal temperature. This property of the object is known as heat capacity. So students, the required thermal energy for increasing the temperature of an object by any substance by 1 degree Celsius is called heat capacity of the object. Thank you.